Senator Simons.
Thank you very much, Madam Speaker. My question is for the government representative. A year ago, as we've discussed in this chamber before, the Little Red River Cree Nation and the community of Fox Lake were devastated by wildfire. A month ago, I asked you about the challenges that the community faced because of the warm winter and the repeated flooding by BC Hydro of ice bridges. The community was able to bring in almost no supplies to rebuild in the wake of that fire. I have a fresh question for you today. On Thursday, the Band Council met and declared a local state of emergency. And on Friday, they sent a letter, a very heartbreaking letter, petitioning the government for assistance in dealing with the fact that in the last 6 months, there have been 6 suicides, 2 homicides, numerous suicide attempts. The community is gripped by gang violence and drug addiction. They're asking for help. They've written that letter on Friday, and I'm wondering what response you might have to a community that's asking for help with mental health, drug addiction, and gang suppression.
Senator Gold.
Well, first and foremost, to the members of the community who are suffering through this constellation of horrible events, my sympathies and the sympathies of the Government of Canada. I have every confidence that the government will support the Little Red River Cree Nation. I'm not aware of the letter nor of what the government response is, but the government, I am confident, will be there for the community in this hour of its need.
Senator Simons.
Thank you very much. As we discussed last month, one of the additional challenges facing the nation is that new Transport Canada rules mean that they cannot use their barges to bring in federal workers. So no RCMP officers can come by barge over the river. No federally funded healthcare workers can come by barge over the river. I have been attempting to get a response from Transport Canada for a month now to that situation. I'm wondering if there's anything you can update us with.
Senator Gold.
Again, I'm not in a position to update you on that particular issue, but again, I'll bring it to the attention of the relevant minister.